Dodo the dancing elephant. In the heart of the jungle, where parrots sing and monkeys swing, lived a cheerful young elephant named Dodo. But Dodo was no ordinary elephant. He didn't like to stomp or splash in the river. Dodo loved to dance. Every morning near the riverbank, Dodo twirled and wiggled, hopped and spun. His big ears flapped with every move, and the leaves danced along with him in the breeze. But one day, some animals saw him and laughed. "An elephant that dances? How silly! You're too big to spin around. Elephants don't dance like that." Dodo's ears drooped. His smile faded. He stopped dancing and tried to be like everyone else, quiet, slow and serious. But deep inside, his heart still heard the rhythm. His feet still wanted to move. Then came the great jungle talent show. The monkeys juggled bananas, the peacocks showed their feathers, even the lion tried to sing raw. Everyone cheered and clapped. Then it was Dodo's turn.
He stepped onto the stage, his legs shaking. But as the drums began, boom, tick. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddie Toons.